In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix an iPhone that's not ringing for incoming calls. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more iPhone tips. It can be very frustrating to miss important calls, but here's a few quick fixes if your phone isn't ringing. Begin by accessing the control center by just swiping down from your battery icon, and check to make sure that Do Not Disturb or any other focus mode is turned on. If it is on, simply go ahead and hold on this and then click it to turn it off. These modes can block incoming call alerts. If that's not the issue though, go ahead and open up your settings on your phone and go ahead and search for the phone app by just typing phone up at the very top, click in the app just like so, and then scroll down until you see the option to silence unknown callers. From here, just go ahead and ensure that this is turned off, otherwise calls from numbers not saved in your contacts aren't going to ring. Finally, check your blocked callers list. You can do this by backing out of this section and clicking blocked contacts, and just ensure that the caller is not blocked, because if the caller is blocked, their calls won't come through at all. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. But before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great day. Peace.